Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change a Roblox font. So first what you're going to do here is you have to go to any web browser. Actually you can use other platform or tool, but this time I'm going to introduce to you the font. So you can just basically go to the font and then search for that specific font that you want to install or download. Now you have to click the very first link that you can see here. So this is the font.com. Now you can search for that font that you want to install or you want to add or use to your Roblox game. So for example, if you want to go to that specific name of the font or go to category right here, then you can just simply click the download button on the right side, tap this one. Once you tap download, then you should see that it is now starting to download your font. So tap download right here. So you can download one, two, three, depends on you. Now, what you're going to do next is you have to go to that specific folder and you have to extract the file. So here are the zip files and I need to tap it each to extract the file so that I can see them in one folder. So tap on extract file. Now I'm going to show you once it's done, then you can basically move the folder to the desktop. And here are the fonts that I have installed from the font.com. Here are the fonts that I want to add to my Roblox. And actually, I will add them all. So once I have installed this, I can now go to my search menu. And then this time you have to look for Roblox. Okay, type Roblox. Now you have to tap on open file location. Now look for the content folder. And then you have to look for fonts. Now, these are the fonts that you have used or currently installed on your Roblox. What you're going to do is you have to create a new folder on your desktop and then you can name this as old font. Now we're going to get or we're going to move at least four fonts right here from Roblox content or Roblox font and move this to the old font folder. After that, once you have moved this, then you can now go to that download folder and you can now add the fonts or new fonts from the font.com that we have extracted earlier. Okay, so here are the old fonts. Now I can tap X this time, open that specific folder. I'm going to add at least four fonts from the font.com and I'm going to move this fonts to my Roblox folder. What you're going to do now, once you have moved all of this, is you have to open again the old font and then you have to copy that name and replace the name on that four fonts that you have moved here. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you have to click, okay, rename, copy, go back to that specific new font from the font.com, right click, rename, and then paste. So you have to do this to the four fonts that you have moved to old font folder. Once done, you can open, launch, and play with your Roblox with your new fonts here. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.